In 2023, something happened that completely turned digital marketing on its head. And it started with one AI tool that could actually write like a human. At first I thought, here we go again. Here's another shiny AI tool that just isn't really gonna pan out. But I was completely wrong. So let me quickly take you back. BKA Content had been a content writing fulfillment service since 2009. I absolutely loved what we did, and we were good at it. Dang good at it. Then one morning, I was at my desk getting ready for the day, reading some emails, reading some news, and I saw a headline that said, ChatGPT, AI that can actually write like a human. Now at that time, I had seen tools like this before, such as Jasper, which could help with writing, but you could quickly see that it was actually AI written when you'd actually read it. But this felt different. Over the next few days, the chatter online was insane. Everyone on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, the news media outlets were talking about this thing, and they were excited about it. Over the coming weeks, clients would reach out and ask me and say things like, are you guys gonna start using AI to write content? And all of a sudden you saw a pop-up of a ton of AI checker businesses that would actually look at a piece of content and tell you how much of it, percentage-wise, was written by AI. On the other end of the spectrum, we had clients reaching out and saying, hey, we're switching to AI because honestly, it's just cheaper for us to do. And I gotta tell you, watching clients that you've worked with for years walk away is a punch to the gut. It hurts. So here we were stuck in the middle of a rock and a hard place where some of our clients really wanted us to keep doing human written content, and a lot of our other clients were simply just leaving us and moving to an AI tool because it was faster and cheaper. So my business partner and I had to have a hard conversation. If we stick to the old way of doing things, we might lose everything. But if we jump in and we embrace AI, are we losing our integrity of what we stood for as a company for these last 12 years? We realized we couldn't wait any longer. Human written content alone wasn't going to be enough. We had to adapt and evolve. So we made the hard decision to pivot. We took all of that knowledge that we had learned over the last 12 years and decided to turn ourselves from a content writing fulfillment service into a full service SEO digital marketing agency. Now we help clients do so much more than just content writing. AI is here. We can't ignore it, but we don't have to let it replace us. Instead, we can use it to amplify what we do best. So for us, we keep strategy in-house, but we use AI to make it faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now I have to tell you that this pivot wasn't easy, but it worked. Clients stayed, we got new clients on board, and the results that we were able to get them improved. So what's the point of sharing this story? What's the lesson? The rules of digital marketing haven't disappeared. They've just changed and evolved. And if you're willing to adapt and evolve, you can actually get ahead, grow faster, and get better results than you've ever gotten before. For us as a company, we didn't lose our edge. We evolved it and changed it. And that's the message I have for anyone watching this video. Don't fight the future, but instead embrace it and use it. So if you're worried about the changes that have happened to digital marketing and wondering how your business can use these changes or adapt to these changes to succeed, then make sure that you watch our channel, like, subscribe, turn on notifications so that when we put out more helpful content, you'll be alerted. And if you want to learn about what is still working when it comes to SEO and this new world of AI, then make sure that you watch this video. In this video, we talk about one of the parts of Google that is still driving a lot of traffic to websites and producing a lot of results. So make sure that you watch this video, and I'll see you over there.